my garden right now and have this birdhouse, and I think I'm trying to place it like there, maybe there too, but better there than there. So wait a minute. Oh, neighbor's dog. Right now I put it there because here I can't place it good, so it don't fall down. But there it can't fall down. Trust me, trust me. I don't want to check up this place because I don't want to scare birds from going there. So there's it peaceful. Here is it not loud. Yeah. So the bird is in peace and not in loudly cars.